This is lesson 3.1. In this lesson, we'll learn how to solve a system of linear equations by graphing. So a system of equations is when you have more than one equation that works together. So in this case, we have two equations, and we're going to graph each equation and find where the two lines intersect. So the first thing we'll do is solve each equation for y so that it's in slope-intercept form. So first I'll add 3x to each side. Then I'm going to divide by 2 on each side. So I get y equals 3 halves x plus 4, putting it in slope-intercept form. So that equation will be graphed. 4 on the y-axis, there's our y-intercept, and then the slope is 3, so up 3 over 2. And I want to make sure the line is nice and straight. So I'm going to use the slope to put several points on. And then I can make sure the line is nice and straight. So there's the first one. This line represents all possible solutions to the first equation. So then the second equation, we're going to subtract x on each side, then divide by 2. So we get y equals negative 1/2 x minus 4, putting the equation in slope-intercept form. So we go down 4, and then using our slope of negative 1/2, go down 1 over 2. Going in the other direction, like so. And this blue line represents all of the possible solutions to the second equation. So the one point that both equations have in common is the solution to the system. So that point is negative 4, negative 2. We can check that point, make sure it is a solution by substituting back into the two equations. So in the first equation, we have negative 3 times negative 4 plus 2 times negative 2. We want to see if that equals 8. So positive 12 minus 4, that does equal 8, so it works there. And then in the second equation, we would have negative 4 plus 2 times negative 2. Does that equal negative 8? So negative 4 minus 4, yep, that equals negative 8. It works in both equations, therefore that is our solution to the system.